as we step into this milestone week of completing a decade of Saatvik Green Energy, I find myself quietly reflecting on how far we have come, not just as a company, but as a family. So let's take this moment to reflect and be proud of whatever we have done in the past decade and whatever process we have been through to achieve this.
Back in 2015, we were not inheriting a legacy, but we were building one. From days of uncertainty and sleepless nights to building India's most trusted solar brand, it was not about individual ambition but about collective courage. 10 years ago, we didn't imagine the scale, but we imagined the soul. So thank you everyone for your belief. Together, we have not just built a solar company, we have built legacy, we have built trust, we have built Saatvik. Here's to the next decade of purity in our intent, power in our dreams, and unity in our journey.
This is not just a company, this is a movement, and we are all its torchbearers. And to every single person, past and present, who has contributed to this journey, I offer my deepest gratitude. Let's stay hungry, stay grounded, and stay united in purpose. Let's build a future we all will be proud of to pass on. Happy 10th anniversary.
At Saatvik, we have very positive atmosphere. Our leaders are very supportive, our colleagues, and together we grow and shine.
Our leaders don't just give instruction, they listen to us. Every decision is made with transparency and everyone's opinion is considered. This is the mark of true leadership.
Today we stand tall not just as a team but as a family, united by resilience, innovation and shared value.
It's an honor to stand in front of you and celebrating the 10th anniversary of Saatvik Solar, and I feel honored to be among with you. Saatvik has really grown over the last 10 years, and we really admire the policies which Saatvik has been adopting of late.
3 years in Saatvik, and I am very proud of that. I am a part of Saatvik, that Saatvik has completed right now a 10th year.
It's rare to find a workplace that treats your story like it matters. At Saatvik, my story became part of something larger that I ever imagined.
Saatvik में 8 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ और मैं स्टिंगर ऑपरेटर हूँ और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि कंपनी ग्रोथ कर रही है और हम चाहते हैं आगे ही ऐसी ग्रोथ करती रहे और प्लान आगे ग्रोथ करे। मैं पिछले 5 साल से सात्विक ग्रुप से मैं जुड़ा हूँ और मुझे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। मैं पहले भी बहुत कंपनियों में काम करता हूँ, पर मुझे को प्राउड है मैं सात्विक से जुड़ा हूँ और मेरे को बहुत अच्छा फील हुआ यहाँ पे आने के बाद।
यहाँ का माहौल बहुत पॉजिटिव है और हम सब यहाँ पर मिलजुल कर काम करते हैं और हमारे सीनियर्स बहुत ही सपोर्टिव है।
We are not just employees, we are a part of purpose. Every solar panel we touch, every order we deliver, it carries our name too.
Every milestone Saatvik achieves is a reflection of our teamwork and dedication we have put in over the years. I am proud that my contributions have helped shape this journey.
यहाँ हर काम की योजना बनाई जाती है जिससे टीम का रोल क्लियर होता है और फोकस बना रहता है।
Company takes care of our skill development and leaders are very prompt in giving us guidance regarding our personal career growth.
यहाँ न्यू आइडियाज को एनकरेज किया जाता है। जब मैंने एक आइडिया सुझाया तो उसको मैनेजमेंट ने एक्सेप्ट किया और इम्प्लीमेंट भी किया।
Saatvik gave me more than a job. It gave me identity, purpose and pride. I have grown here not just professionally but as a person also.
This is just not about target or task. It's about watching something which is growing year after year and knowing that your contribution matters.
At Saatvik, we don't have any gender discriminations. We all work as a family.
अगर हमसे कोई गलती हो जाती है तो यहाँ पर हमें दोष नहीं दिया जाता, क्रिटिसाइज नहीं किया जाता, हमें अकाउंटेबिलिटी सिखाई जाती है।
कंपनी हमारी डेवलपमेंट के साथ साथ हमारी फैमिली का भी ध्यान रखती है। मुझे मेडिकल
फैसिलिटी भी अच्छे से प्रोवाइड की थी। जब मुझे एक इशू आया था तो मुझे पूरा सपोर्ट दिया था, जिसमें मेरी 3 दिन के अंदर मेरा अमाउंट है वो कवर हो गया।
We have seen Saatvik grow from one line to multi-gigawatt force, and being part of that, that's not work, that's a legacy.
We plan our work very well in advance. Our management is very clear with their objectives, and there are separate clear roles for every individual in the team.
Congratulations to Saatvik Solar. We have completed a decade into renewable sector, into PV manufacturing, and I really want to take this time to thank our leadership who has given a platform to people like me to grow across the industry. I really want to congratulate Saatvik again. Thank you.
Excellence is a habit out here, और ये हमको हर एक काम को बेहतरीन ढंग से करने की प्रेरणा देता है और आगे बढ़ने की, निरंतर गति से आगे बढ़ने की सोच बनी रहती है।
Being a girl, I feel proud to be the part of Saatvik family. They provide extra care to their women employees.
सात्विक की पॉलिसी एम्प्लॉइज को फर्स्ट रखती है, इसलिए यहाँ पर काम के लिए फ्लेक्सिबल आवर्स मिलते हैं, जिसके साथ हम अपना वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस अच्छे से कर सकते हैं।
I am Saatvik.
I am Saatvik.
I am Saatvik.
I am Saatvik.
I am Saatvik. I am Saatvik.
हम सात्विक
Saatvik.
Saatvik.
सात्विक
Saatvik.
Saatvik.
Saatvik.